Welcome, respected viewers. This is S. Akbar Ali, Assistant Professor of English, Jamal Muhammad College, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. I feel very happy today to speak on a very important component of leading a successful life. The title of today's program is Steps for Sure Success in Life. Gentle viewers, I would like to mention some two very important things that really help us to lead a victorious life, to live our life very successfully. My dear gentle viewers, there are a number of things that really help us achieve success to everyone's surprise in our life. Topping the list, there are two things that I would like to share with you all today. The most important thing to achieve success in our life is to have a strong faith in God. We have to have a very strong faith and fear in God in order to achieve success till the last day of our life. We all have faith in God, there is no doubt at all. But how many of us have a very strong faith in God means there rises a question mark. What is the major difference between having faith and a strong faith in God? Let me tell you the major definition between the two. A strong faith in God means we have to think that nothing can happen in this world without the knowledge of the God. Whatever happens in this world is only because of God, not partly because or mainly because. It is only because of God that everything takes place in this world. So we have to think that everything takes place only as per the wish and the will of God. We also have to think that the God who sent us to this world knows very well what to give us and what not to give us, when to give us and when not to give us, why to give us and why not to give us, where to give us and where not to give us, how to give us and how not to give us, how much to give us and how much not to give us. Everything is known to God. That's why He is known as the all-knower. He knows everything. He knows all. He knows what to give us. What God gives us is for our best. What God doesn't give us is also for our best. When God takes away something from us, that's also best for us, because He may give us any other better thing. So definitely we have to be satisfied with what God has given us. Definitely we will be happy always. So we have to have a very strong faith in God. And we also should have fear in God. Fear in God. Fearing God is actually the gateway of knowledge. Those who fear in God will be definitely bestowed with the useful knowledge. So the first thing is we should have a very strong faith and fear in God. We know that God gives and forgives. Man gets and forgets. To err is human, to forgive is divine. No, if there is no God, there can be no peace. No God, no peace. Second sentence, KNOW, no. If we know God, we can know KNOW, no peace. So we must be the peace builders in the world. So the second thing topping the list is having good manners. So these are the two things that really help us to achieve success in our life. There is no doubt at all. All other things come next to these two things. The first thing is to have a very strong faith and fear in God. The second one is having good characters. We know that manners make a man. and good manners make a good man. We should keep in our mind that good manners can open the door that the best education can't. Our nature is our future. Characters are the destiny. We should keep our characters in a fine position. We should remember one thing, that with our hard work we can go to a high position, no doubt. But only with our good characters we can retain the position. Many of us achieve success, but how many of us retain the success means very rare. So along with our hard work, keeping good characters is what is essential in the today's 21st century. So these are the two things that we should have always in our life. I would like to just pinpoint some three important good characters that should be implemented by us in our life. If we just take a list of good characters, actually we can put three things in the list atop. Three things topping the list are: first one, giving others. We should give others what we have. Definitely we can find the real happiness in our life. Actually, the real happiness lies not in possessing things but in sharing what we have. We have to share with others what we have. Scholars were there, they thought that what they gave others was their saving. They thought so. And what they kept, that will leave them, if not today, one day. So we have to give others. Second one, we have to forgive others. We should forgive others. Forgiving, is what is very much likable to God. The third one is joining others. We should join others always. Actually, we are not enemies to others, and others are not enemies to us. We don't have any enemy at all. So we should lead our life in a very happy manner. So gentle viewers, these are the two things: having a very strong faith and fear in God. Second one is to have good manners with us. These are the two steps, main steps. And there are other two things from which we have to be far away. We have to stay away from two things. One is shy. For learning things, for learning purpose, we should not have any shy at all. If we shy to learn anything, we cannot acquire knowledge as per our wish. So we should come out of shy in order to learn things, in order to stay updated in our life. The second one is pride. We must not be proud of what we know. In fact, what we know is very, very little. We have to keep on learning things till our last day. Till our death, we have to keep on learning. So actually, these are the two hindrances. What are they? Shy and pride are the real hindrances that that disturb us from learning, from acquiring knowledge like anything. In fact, if you just think deeply and think of the real meaning behind pride, actually there are definitions for pride. What is real pride means? Thinking ill of others comes under the category of pride. We should not think ill of others. And next one, denying the fact is also what is called pride. So two things. If we have two things, definitely we have pride. What is that? We should not think ill of others. If we think ill of others, that means we are very proud people. Second one, we should not deny the fact at any cost. So these are the two things from which we should be far away in our life. So I would like to end today's session by reminding you all that if we just act with what we know, the unknown will come to us naturally, automatically. Really, we are all blessed with so many things, so many good things. So we have to put them in action so that what we do not know, what we do not have will come to us one by one, little by little, step by step. So I would like to recall that there are some steps for sure success in life. One is we should have two things and we should not have two things. The two things that we should have are having a very strong faith in God and fear in God. Second one, having good manners. The other two things that we should not have in our life are, first one is shy. For learning purpose, we should not have shy. Second one, pride. If we follow these steps, definitely we will have sure success in life. Thank you, gentle viewers. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you. All the best.